Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Mihir's Trading Journey. This is your host, Mihir, and it's always great to have you guys here. Now, first things first, guys, obviously, I've been gone for a while. I know, but we are back. I've just been like super busy. I've been all over the place. My move forward. That being said, there's 2 minutes left in the market before it opens up. 1.5 minutes. Let's go over some analysis real quick. And that being said, market basically overnight just kept running up. I mean, you guys can see. You know, when you open up the reference on the 5 minutes, like my point of reference, it seems like it's running up. That being said, when you zoom out a little bit, you can see that yesterday we were kind of chopping up. We peaked, then we dropped down overnight, and then we started pushing up, right? But for me, like what matters is recently we are trending upwards, right? We are intraday traders, so it's not going to matter to us much if, like, you know, we were crashing 5 days ago, like, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, let's see if we get slippage down into, or we slip down into the 80s again. If we do, then it would be really nice. Okay, well, kind of pulling back down right now. Still like the idea right there. Long off of the 3 minutes order block there. I swear if it misses us by like a tick there. Stop loss. We'll keep it below the 5 minute bullish candle right there. We're in the trade right now, guys. Let's see if our brackets can go auto break even here. Auto break even enabled. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so we can keep track of the proper trade upwards. I'm gonna bring up the stop a little bit more here. I want a little bit more than just auto break. Actually, no, I'll give it its wiggle room. It is what it is. If it goes break even, it is what it is. But I would like to see this push up a little bit more here. Seems like it's coming back down from my break even currently. Okay, that nearly missed me for my break even. If I win this trade, I swear to God, like that would be like very, very lucky. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, we want to see this push a little bit more though. I still like the 89 level right there. Just a little bit above this previous like resistance level here. I'm gonna let it go break even if it has to. It is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta let your trades breathe a little bit. Again, I got nothing to lose at the end of the day, right, with this. So let's see if we can get that final push to the 89s. There it is, guys. There it is. There it is. Look at that volatility kicking in, actually. Now we probably drop because there's no wicks to the bottom side, right? We probably drop, we put in a wick somewhere around like maybe 65s down here. And then we probably push back up to the highs, because the highs on the 5 minutes actually, which you guys can't see, actually you guys can see, it doesn't have any wicks either. So it's going to rotate up there as well at some point. But yeah, that's that. Easy. I think that was 15 points with 3 contracts. We're up $855. On to the next. All right, the trade idea right here is going to be 3 minute order block trade. Right, long off of this order block here, which was right before market open, and then stop right under the lows of those sidelining basically on the 3 minute. Okay, here it is. Let's see if we can get into the trade here. We're in right now, guys. Market's a little bit more. I'm gonna go break even on that trade, honestly. Market's a little bit more volatile there than I thought. We'll get out for break even because this could, like, it seems like it could go further down. All right, I don't mind this like sell idea right here off the top here. Stop loss basically at the top of the wick there. Let's see if we can get into this. Idea is to like basically go break even as soon as possible. Again, we're trying to scalp just 10 points out of here. We're near the point of control. We didn't get filled in for a tick, did we? Are you serious right now? Why does this keep happening to us, guys? Oh, there we are. We're finally filled in. All right, let's see if auto break even enables. We are doing really well. The trade's going really well in our favor right now. Well, not so much anymore. All right, let's see. Idea is to get under the point of control here, and then move my stop loss break even actually myself there. Oh, it just auto triggered anyways. And quick 10 points, or are we going to go out for break even here? Because we need this 1 minute candle to flip red, which is a little unfortunate. You know, flipping red is much harder. Oh, there it is, guys. Wow. Beautiful. I was going to say flipping red is actually much harder typically, especially in that kind of situation. And especially if your like profit target is right below the flip. But there it is, guys. Wow. Look at the follow through. We were like on the right side continuously today. It's awesome. Alright guys, this is where I decide not to overstay my welcome. I think I'm going to go ahead and end it. Market is still like moving really well, honestly. If I'm not this much up on the day, I'm probably looking for more trades, right? Because the market is still moving pretty well. It's not slowed down or anything. It's just perfect volatility right now, honestly, right? Every now and then we get a spike of volatility too to like help with the volume and so on and so forth. But yeah, I mean, I'm glad I'm up 1,075 again in what, like 1 hour worth of time in the market. That's too much for that much time, right? And that being said, I don't want to give any of it back, right? So I'm going to go ahead and call it here, at least for trading. That, guys, if you're going to continue trading in the market, guys, as always, good luck, be smart, be patient, take the best setups according to your strategy. And remember, it's about patience, right? It's about control. And it's, again, it's not a race, it's a marathon, right? Against yourself, against your, you know, a sprint against yourself, basically, but your emotions specifically. 10:35 right now. I'm clocking out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, stay green, touch grass, GG's, and peace out.